Hey guys, it's Metro coming to you from the Appalachian Trail at Newfound Gap. We're doing a short day hike going northbound on the Appalachian Trail, so let's keep moving. So one thing to note out here in Newfound Gap is there's no one here. So it's a big contrast to Clingsmand Dome. There's people everywhere before you get on the AT. Out here, it seems like there's nobody around. However, it is a little bit later in the day, about 6 or so. Starting to get a little hungry. Let's keep moving. Alright, so it's Metro. We're on the Appalachian Trail. We're about 1.7 miles away from Newfound Gap. Let's get moving. Hey guys, it's Metro coming to you from the Appalachian Trail. That was a great 3.4 mile hike in and out going northbound. If you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, send me your comments as I do respond. Until next time, let's keep moving.